I'm pretty much convinced that almost every YouTuber is using Tubebuddy because Tubebuddy, is the way to go. I know there's VidQ, but I feel like almost everyone is using Tubebuddy right now. And you probably, if you are a YouTuber, you probably have Tubebuddy, private there on you, and you also have, the Chrome extension. If you don't have it, it's fine. You can simply access it by clicking the first link in the description, and if you sign up using my link, I'm gonna tell you what you're going to get, right? So this is my Tubebuddy account here. Fantastic thing that I realized today. I don't know if this has always been there, but I realized this today. I'm being honest, right? And I don't know if this is gonna be there for like forever, because I'm not sure if it's always been there. But then if Tubebuddy is something that they don't really promote, but then you get inside right now, as I'm promoting this video, you're gonna get 30 days free trial. And not only that, you're gonna choose any package that you like. And the last package is the legend one. As you can see here, I took the legend one, and as you can see here, it says 30-day free trial, and you can cancel anytime. Like, let's just say maybe you feel like, alright, cool, you use Tubebuddy and still you're not getting results, you can cancel it anytime. And I like to say, here's the thing: companies that offer free trials, they know that their platform works, it's robust. Any company that does not offer you free trial, it means that they are still growing. These are established companies. With these companies you can achieve a lot. So if you want to get a free trial, not only free trial, but get a 30-day free trial on Tubebuddy, make sure that you open an account by clicking on the first link in the description. Once you've opened an account, you wanna go to home. When you go to home, you're gonna see an option first to add your channel. After add your channel, it's gonna be the third one or the second one. You're gonna see an option to take a 30-day free trial, and from there you can choose the package. They have starter one, they have a star, they have a legend. So you wanna make sure that you check that out and get a Tubebuddy free trial and start growing your YouTube today, because competition is a lot there on YouTube, and one of the effective ways to grow is getting tools like Tubebuddy and other tools that you'll find on my YouTube channel that are gonna help your YouTube channel to grow, depending on the niche that you are targeting. But you need this Chrome extension, you need Tubebuddy if you are a YouTuber. Alright, cool, go check it out.